Hey guys, I just wanted to go through the assignment for today, our food chains and food webs assignment. So if you are in Google Classroom, I'll give you a couple days probably to do this. Um, Worry about doing the food chains and food webs first. I did post the other one as well, but I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to do that probably tomorrow or the next day. So if you want to try doing it, go for it. You can, but um, otherwise focus on this food chains one. Okay, so if you click on that, we've got a Google Doc. So open your Google Doc. That is your lab. There is on Classroom the website or on the document. Okay, so you can click on either one. I like to do a split screen. Takes a little bit. So I have both open. Okay. I'm not going to type in here, but once you get to this, if you can't get to it, I know it says grades 5 through 8, but that's fine. It's still a good little activity. Okay. So once you get to this, let me know if you can't get to it. We've got some of these need Flash players, so you need to enable Flash. So if that's you, then let me know. But that's also why I wanted to go through this little thing with you. Okay. So if you click on part 1 is clicking on the launch button. You're going to start with the food chains / webs tab. Okay, so click on that. There's some reading to do. Gives you an example of a food chain, a food web. Okay, so you're going to answer these questions based on that tab. Okay, the trophic level tab, you click on that. Okay, it gives you the trophic table, and remember that just tells you what type of organism is it. Is it a producer, a decomposer, a consumer? What do they eat? Okay, and then what eats them? Right? So you're going to read that because you're going to need this information when you do the food web game. Okay. Once you get to part 3, you're going to click on the food web game, and you're going to put these into the spots they're supposed to go in. Okay, so this is the little tricky part. Remember, your arrows point to what is doing the eating, so it's showing that the energy is moving from one thing to another. Okay, so this B, letter B, has a lot of arrows pointing to it, which means that it is a top predator, right? It's our highest consumer because nothing eats it. There's no arrows going out from it. All the arrows are pointing to it. Okay. If there's something where only arrows are moving out, that probably is your producer. Okay, so that would be E, would be your producer, whatever that is. Okay. If you need to go back to the trophic table, you can, to kind of see what eats what. Once you have all the right answers, there's a way to check it. I don't think I can do it until I put them all in. So let's just do that. These are not correct. Okay, you can check your answers. Oh, I'm wrong on all of them. Okay, so you can click on those. It kind of gives you some hints. Okay, so you can move things around. Once you are done, you can either take, oh, I did have one right. You can either take a screenshot of this or a picture and put it in here, or you can try to remember what letter corresponds to each one. Okay? And you'll fill those in. Part 4 is just some analysis questions after you're done with this activity. Okay? And then you can turn that into Google Classroom. Alright, so I hope that is fairly easy. I hope that this works. If it doesn't work for you, we'll maybe try to think of something else. Maybe I'll just have you write out where you think each thing goes. Okay, so if this doesn't work, you can do that using these notes. So just pause it and put these in where you think they would go. Okay? Alright, have a great day.